Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best senior dog foods that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Diamond Naturals Senior Dog Food. The recipe includes probiotics and fiber for easy digestion, as well as chondroitin and glucosamine for joint health. There are a number of fruits and vegetables in this diet, but there is no corn, wheat, soy, legumes, artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. It's also free of legumes. This food will have your old pup's coat shiny and sleek. Dogs with mobility issues have seen improvements due to the chondroitin and glucosamine, with some even being able to be taken off supplements like Dasiquin. The increase in mobility is great, since dogs on this diet seem to have more energy. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Nutro Ultra Senior Dry Dog Food. This diet uses 3 different protein sources: chicken, salmon, and lamb, with chicken being the first ingredient. There is no corn, wheat, soy, chicken byproduct meal, or artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. The recipe contains legumes. This food does contain some common allergens, like chicken, as well as a number of fruits and vegetables that may be too much for dogs with allergies or sensitive tummies. At number 3, we have the Nutro Wholesome Essentials Senior Natural Dry Dog Food. The first 2 ingredients are chicken and chicken meal, with the latter being a source of glucosamine and chondroitin, both of which support joint health. Nutro's ingredients are non-GMO, and this food doesn't contain chicken byproduct meal, corn, wheat, soy, or artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. The recipe does contain peas. The consistency of a dog's stool can be an indication of her health. On this food, dogs have firm, regular poops, which is a great sign. Another sign of good health is a shiny coat, which is the norm for dogs eating Nutro Wholesome Essentials. It also seems to increase stamina. Some dogs with allergies have seen improvements in their symptoms while on this diet. At number 2, we have the Canady Pure Senior Recipe. This food is grain-free for dogs who have sensitive stomachs, allergies, or other issues that require such a diet. The formula contains omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids to support healthy skin and coat, as well as antioxidants that boost the immune system. It also contains chondroitin and glucosamine for mobility and joint health. The first 3 ingredients are all sources of animal protein: chicken, chicken meal, and turkey meal. This recipe includes peas. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hills Science Diet Adult 7+, Senior Adult 7+, Premium Nutrition Dry Dog Food. Science Diet claims that this formula is easy to digest and contains a blend of vitamins and minerals that support heart and kidney health, as well as beautiful skin and coat. The first ingredient is chicken meal, which is a concentrated source of protein. This recipe does contain corn, wheat, and soy, so be careful if your dog has allergies. It's not pea-free, but peas are at the bottom of the ingredient list. They are likely included for marketing purposes, but do not add much to the nutrition of the diet. This is also true for apples, broccoli, carrots, and cranberries. These ingredients look enticing to customers, but since labels are listed by weight, and these are at the very bottom, the quantities are negligible. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.